Sweet, it's finally here. Oh man, that's a big package.
That's what she said. Hey, what is going on, guys? And welcome to another day in the life video. Now, I already got my workout and my run in early this morning, as you saw, and I am pretty excited to open up this box of goodies for the Raptor. So let's check it out. All right, guys, so what we have here is a triple bezel fog light kit and a 30-inch light bar we're gonna be putting on the Raptor today. This is something I've wanted to do for quite a while, so I'm glad that I finally pulled the trigger and got this stuff here, so I'm pretty excited to get this going. Should see if Mike wants to come help me though. Wanna come help? What a guy. I gotta show you this. Yeah, that was his response when I asked him if he wanted to come help. He's watching yoga. How do you even do that? It's looking good so far. Now, because this is taking me way longer than I expected it to, mostly because I had to fight with that one bolt in there, but I actually have to hop on a business call right now with my warehouse. I have to figure some stuff out about the chemical side of things, and yeah, so let's go do that. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
I'm great.
Good, good.
So those two products are only going to be able to be shipped domestically within the United States. I could still offer both those methods. So if we're talking 5 liters, we're talking no more than 5,000 milliliters of one of the hazmat products. Then 10 of those should be 4,730, so we'd be good. Like 10 is the max then. Right, yeah, makes sense.
Keep up with that. But please, if you do that, I will get it all taken care of.
Okay, no, not a problem at all.
Sure thing, thank you much.
All right.
Good to talk to you.
All right, see ya.
Have a good one.
All right, well, things are going good. The chemical should be hopefully about a month away, so I'm excited. Back to the fog lights. All right, well, the call went good. Gonna get back at these fog lights here. Yeah, tell you about the chemical side of things in just a little bit, but let's get these things in. I gotta say, although these fog lights, they might be awesome, the install, not so much. See, it's not the best designed. Been fighting with it the whole time. What do we want to do? Blue and green will be the big ones. Cornering ones, yellow. Ah, okay, that's nice and tight. Okay, and we're done. Fingers crossed they turn on. So I've got the wire to auxiliary 2 and 3. Yeah! Sweet. All right, well, half the battle is over and the fog lights are installed. I don't know, I think they're looking pretty good. Now, as far as the light bar goes, I actually have to take the entire front grille off, so that is gonna have to wait until tomorrow, although I will show you what it looks like right here. I think it looks pretty sick. I don't know about you guys, but it turned out really good. Now, I haven't eaten all day, except for a little bit of coffee, so let's go make some burgers. Now, if you guys watched the last day in the life video, you'd probably remember that I eat burgers a lot, probably more than most people do. I'd say probably, I don't know, 3 to 4 times a week. And 3 might seem excessive, but it's really not. I actually buy low calorie and low fat burgers, so they're really not too bad. Definitely important as summer is coming, so gotta diet down and look good. But anyways, gonna finish cooking these, eat them, and then I gotta run an errand. Alright guys, so like I mentioned earlier in the video, I had a call with my warehouse this morning regarding chemical, which I'll be adding chemical to Detail Geek Auto Care very soon. So we had to kind of go over some of the issues with storage and with shipping. There's some restrictions on things. Some of the chemicals actually can't be shipped internationally. Most of them can, but there are a couple that can't because of you know, the hazardous materials that are in them. But yeah, I'm super excited to finally be getting close to launching the chemical. It's been something I've been working on almost tirelessly for months. You know, lately it's been label design and you know, going back and forth with my designer on things and lawyers and getting everything on the label, safety information and all that. There's just an absolute ton of work that goes into that. It's finally almost here. I'm hoping within about a month, if all goes to plan anyways. I mean, things can get delayed, and you know, COVID's having a big impact on everything. But yeah, it's definitely coming soon. You know, kind of just in time for detailing season. So yeah, I'm very, very excited for you guys to get your hands on the chemicals. You know, besides the work with the designer and the lawyers, I've also got a whole pile of work that I need to do on the website as well. You know, I'm adding 9 new products, 9 chemicals, and it's just, there's a ton of work to be done on the website side of things too. And you know, for the most part, I'm handling all of that myself as well. So honestly, you know, when you start a new business, it's not, you never understand how much work is going to go into things. And you know, even when I, you know, started on the chemical side, like, I had no idea the amount of work and the amount of time it was going to take to do everything. And you know, obviously you got to do everything properly. It just takes time, lots of money, so you know, but no risk, no reward, right? So I had planned, you probably noticed when I was doing the fog lights that the Raptor's a little bit dirty right now, and I had planned, I did want to get it washed today, you know, before I installed the fog lights, kind of make sure it was clean before putting those in. But as you noticed in the morning, it was snowing, so I kind of scrapped those plans because I had intentions of, you know, taking it out for a spin today, and it was looking like it was going to be snowing and wet roads. But honestly, the weather has turned around a little bit, which is good. So maybe I'll get it washed tomorrow or something. But the reason I'm going out right now, to be honest, Mike asked me to pick up some candy for him. If you guys didn't know, he has a huge sweet tooth, Sour Patch Kids, and what is it? Some sort of gummy Starburst candy. He's like just super into right now. And normally I don't like doing things for him because, you know, he hardly ever helps me. But I made an exception today, kind of just because it was nice and sunny out. I don't know. I just kind of wanted to go for a drive, to be honest. But yeah, so we got to pick up some candy for him, keep Mike happy. Yeah, I really don't know why. The dude never helps me, but yet I'm always doing stuff for him. You guys have anybody in your life like that? Got the candy for Mike. Tell you, things you do for a brother, Jay. Kind of ridiculous. Such a lazy bum. Hey man, did you get the goodies? Yeah, sure did.
Oh yeah. What'd you get?
Oh. You gonna pay me back for those? Oh yeah, absolutely. You know, I'm good for it. Yeah.
Starburst.
Anyways, now that Mike is gone, I wanted to show you guys something real quick. Now, I hope this is not a sneak peek, but if it is, cool. Hopefully these should be available on the website already, but these are the waffle weave towels for glass, and I am super happy with how these turned out. Premium quality, I mean, they're so good. Sold as a 2-pack because honestly, one waffle weave towel is not enough to do an entire vehicle's glass, unless you have a really super small car, like the smart car. But typically you need 2, so sold as a 2-pack, and yeah, like these are just, they're so good. I mean, look at that. 450 GSM, nice and soft, waffle weave, and they're perfect for glass. They will leave your glass streak free. I love the color. I love everything about these things. And then I'm also including this little card, which actually gives you some care instructions for the towel. Yeah, it's, I don't know, these are awesome. You guys are gonna love them. Now they should be up on the website already, detailgeekautocare.com, and the Ultra Plush drying towels should be back in stock as well. Now I'm expecting both kinds of towels to sell fast. I mean, I ordered a ton more this time, but they sold out insanely fast last time. And if you want them, get your hands on them. Hopefully Mike didn't buy them all, but yeah, you guys are gonna love them. All right guys, well, I think this is where I'm gonna wrap up the video. Now, if you guys enjoyed this one, please make sure you hit the thumbs up button and let me know down in the comments if you want me to make more of these, you know, day in the life kind of videos, these vlogs. I certainly have, you know, a lot of fun making them, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this. So please make sure you like the video. I hope you guys are looking forward to when the chemicals are available just as much as I am. And as always, subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss out on one of these videos. Enjoy the guitar outro, and I will see you guys in the next one.